In this video, we will review the javadoc utility, available within the Java programming language. You should already have had exposure to the javadoc utility in the VTC course Java 7 Language Basics, so we will quickly be reviewing it in more depth. The javadoc is a tool that generates HTML documentation from javadoc comments in the code. We will go over how to write basic javadoc comments and how to use features of javadoc to generate HTML documentation. Javadoc recognizes special types of comments, such as these: /, double star. When we hit enter, Eclipse will automatically generate an author tag, which is part of the javadoc. As we can see, these kinds of comments are highlighted in blue by default in Eclipse. Regular comments such as these, /, or 1-star comments, are highlighted in green. Javadoc allows you to attach descriptions to classes, constructors, fields, interfaces, and methods in the generated HTML documentation by placing javadoc comments directly before their declaration statements. Here's an example of using javadoc comments to describe a class, a field, and a constructor. Javadoc tags are keywords recognized by javadoc, which define the type of information that follows. Tags come after the description, separated by a new line. We have here the author tag, which is an example of javadoc and allows you to place an author's name right here. There are also other javadoc tags, which Eclipse can give you a submenu to allow you to choose from. We see here author, category, deprecated, C, serial, since, and version. Let's do an example with tags. First, a description of your class. We already have the author. We can put the version. Let's add a description to the field. We can also add a description or javadoc comments to the constructor. We can also add a description to the type of exception. We can also add javadocs to a method. It already generated for us the @param, which is a description of the parameters that this function takes. And also the return value. Eclipse can generate javadoc comments for classes and methods. Eclipse can also compile javadocs for projects, packages, and classes in a workspace. To run javadoc compilation and generation in Eclipse, let's go to Project Generate Javadoc. As we can see here, you can choose to export to your destination and click Next, or just click Finish. And if we look carefully here, we'll have a new folder called doc. We can see that the new folder with the name doc is generated in this Eclipse project. Let's take a look at our generated javadocs. Let's open it with our web browser in Eclipse. And this is what the javadoc generated. Here we have package, class. So let's go to our class, demo javadoc. Here we have any inheritance, the class name, a description of our class, which we put into our class itself, the version, and the author. We also have a field summary, a constructor summary, and below a method summary. And then we have the details of each. Take the time to document your classes. It will greatly increase the stability of your code in the long term. This concludes our discussion of the javadoc utility.